Hey, what's going on YouTube, my family and my friends? It's Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. Alright, so check this design out here. Now, I know a lot of people are thinking like, okay, let's look at it. Let's look at this design real quick. It's 17 inches in width by 23 inches in height. So it's kind of tall. Kind of tall. So what I want to show y'all today basically is I'm gonna click on this and we're gonna nudge this off to the side. Let's nudge it off. Well, let me just change my nudge feature to 15. Now let's nudge it over. Let's go 20. Alright. Boom. So basically what I'm working with here is I just resized the lettering. Let's actually get to the top of this L here. Boom. So I brought my ruler down to the top of the L. And let's go to the bottom of the L as well. Use that as my reference point. And what I want to do is I want to pretty much get the diamond and the club to match. But all of this is together. As you can see, if I click on it, I move it, it's all together. So there's a few ways that we can do this. I'm going to just show you one easy way, and save the other ones for a future video. So the easiest way that I would fix this is I would first grab my Smart Fill tool and bing bong and bing bong, right? I'm going to come back to my pick tool, so I deselect my Smart Fill tool. Next, what I want to do is I want to grab my club. I want to bring it down here to this line, and using the corner, I'm going to drag it up till it touches that line, like so. Boom. Now I'm going to just grab my diamond. I'm going to move it up to touch that line. And actually, yep, boom. And we're going to bring this up to touch that line. Boom. Well, let's bring it down. So, and I can actually go ahead and pull it down this way. I'm about to fix my diamond anyway. Alright. Next, what I would do is I would double click my diamond club, and as you can see, it brings up the nodes for the original ones that were there. I would just go in there real quick by using my selection tool and just delete those nodes. Boom. Now I have it like I want it. I'm going to just hold control and drag this little fella over. But also I want to straighten up my diamond. I don't like how it looks. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring out a ruler. I'm going to place my ruler right there. Boom. Right there on that point. And now I'm going to bring out a rectangle. Place my rectangle right on that line, like so. Booyah. Come back to my pick tool. I'm going to hold shift and then click on this side of my diamond. And I'm going to just trim the other side off. And now, get rid of my rectangle. And we're going to drag this part over like so. We're going to flip it. Now we're going to weld it to this part, like so. Boom. Now we have the diamond and the club. Let's go ahead and boom. Alright. Now, I was already working on it over here, so let me delete that part. And we can grab it off and slide it right back in. We'll nudge it right back in. And there we have it. Now I can place and fill, island fill my, let's actually hatch fill that. Boom, we're going to island fill this one. Well, it didn't quite work because the lines were too skinny, and that's okay because we're just going to, we want these rows to match, so I'm just going to drag that right over. Yep, we're going to drag them up like so. Because we know it's symmetrical because we made it symmetrical, so these two should fit right in there. Boom. Now let's just do our equal spacing. Fix those lines. Easy peasy. If you learned something today, smash that like button. Also leave a comment down below if this feature is helpful for you, using the Smart Fill tool to redo something, and just delete the other part, Plenty of more tips and tricks coming soon, and I'm out.